Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Game of Thrones Kingsroad game on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Play Store, tap on search for Games of Thrones Kingsroad and search for it. Then tap on Game of Thrones Kingsroad game, and here you will see the install button. So simply click on install button, and here you can see that Game of Thrones Kingsroad game is getting installed on my Android phones. So just wait for this installation process to get complete, and once it is installed, click on play button. This will launch the Game of Thrones Kingsroad game. Now it will ask you to sign in. So simply sign in with email, sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or sign in with Facebook. So these are the four options available. So you can sign in with any options. After logging to your account, then click on tap to start, and then it will ask you to require data. Additional data will be downloaded while playing. Proceed with the download. So you can tap on use only Wi-Fi, and if you want to use mobile data, then you can also tap on allow mobile data. I will use only Wi-Fi, and then here you can see additional data is getting downloaded. Just wait for it. It will take some times, so please wait. It is now checking the resources. Please wait. Now it is compiling shaders, so you have to wait for compiling shaders to get complete. And when the compiling shaders get complete, it will again ask you to require data, that is 10.10 GB. Proceed with download. So again you can tap on use only Wi-Fi to download via Wi-Fi, and if you want to download via mobile data, then you can use mobile data. So I will use only Wi-Fi, and here you can see Game of Thrones Kingsroad game downloading the additional data of 10.10 GB. So you have to just wait for this download to get complete, and then you can play this game. So this is how you can download and install Game of Thrones Kingsroad game on your Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.